Multi-billion-dollar debt write-off for thousands of Jamaicans to take effect tomorrow. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News and our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Kalisha Williams. Also this evening, religious leaders reflect on the country's spiritual journey 25 years into the new millennium. And later, authorities say at one hospital say birth levels remain encouraging. There's also the business day, sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.